So you have compiled your project in CapCut and there is still some work pending and you want to save this as project. So how we can do this? Because on the top of the screen or anywhere from the menu, you can't find anything to save a project. So guys, in CapCut, it's very easy. You can just simply close it and it will save automatically. So either we can close this and open CapCut again to see the project files, or you can go back to the home page from the menu. But if you want to save this project for safety, you can do this and then try going back to home page. And I can see this project here, which I have renamed, but you will see something like this, which you can click on these 3 dots afterwards and click on rename. So by default, it saves all the projects and you can manually delete it. It will be saved in CapCut gallery automatically. So we can just rename it like project 2 or something, and it will be saved until you delete it or trash it by yourself. So guys, this is how you can access your project or save the project in CapCut.